Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss the Caroline age, which is also called the Restoration age. This age is called the Caroline age because it is named after the King Charles I, and the Latin form of Charles is Carolus. So the become Caroline. So we can say that Caroline is basically the Latinized form of Charles. This age is also called the Restoration Age because in this age, King Charles II was restored to the throne. From 1625 to 1649, there was a reign of King Charles I. However, the reign was marred with conflicts between parliamentarians and royalists, eventually, which led to the civil war and resulted into the victory of parliamentarians. After the victory of parliamentarians, Cromwell of England established the Commonwealth and executed King Charles I. When Cromwell died in 1660, there was a resolution between Parliament and King Charles II. So when King Charles II submitted to the Parliament, he was restored again to the throne with the approval of the Parliament. So, after the restoration, this age was called the Restoration Age. This age was the age of decline because all the progress that was done in the Elizabethan age was lost. This age was the age of political upheavals because of the conflict between royalists and parliamentarians. When King Charles II returned from France, he brought with himself the things of low moral values which are depicted by the contemporary authors in Comedy of Manners. So this was the short introduction of the Caroline or the Restoration Age, in which we discussed that the Caroline is named after King Charles I because Carolus is Latinized form of Charles. This was the age of restoration because King Charles II was restored to the throne. And in this age there was a decline because all the progress that was done in the Elizabethan age was lost because of the conflicts between royalists and parliamentarians. Now let's discuss some of the major works and authors of Caroline age. Robert Herrick, Thomas Carew, Sir John Suckling, Richard Lovelace, Andrew Marvell, John Donne, John Dryden, William Congreve, John Bunyan. So this was all about the Caroline age. In this we have discussed a short introduction and the major works and authors of the age. Thank you very much for watching.